Hi, welcome back to my ninth episode of my computer course. This time the voice is a little different from the past episodes, but the content is the same. I wanted to upgrade my computer because it's slow and it's noisy and the memory is damaged. I had this old computer corrupted. So let's see how I can upgrade it very easily. The RAM is not there. Just remove memory is not good. A couple of screws and you can remove the main board. Look at this, very easily. Just take out the wires. There are no problems with this. So why it is so noisy? Let's see. I remove the fan. Look at this. So much dirty. And I didn't keep this computer on for a long time. But look at this, a lot of dust here, and this will make it very noisy and very hot, and so it will be slow. So it was so noisy and I couldn't keep it on in the night time. So I just cleaned and I will give this to school, to a charity, because I have a new computer, and now I will put back these 4 screws, and then let's go back to place the new mainboard. I removed this back plate so the new ports can be available. This is not very useful, but it's better to place it for shielding and for dust. See, the port layout is different. This one is the same. Look at the new one, the port layout is different. So you have to place the a little difficult. You have to be careful that the shield of the backplate doesn't get inside the ports. So that is a little difficult. Maybe you can bend the little prongs. I suggest you to check if there is something inside. For example, usually the internet port will be jammed by the shielding. So be careful, check it before screwing, otherwise you have to open your computer again. Okay, so the screws are in a standard position. It should be compatible. If it's not, you can move the screws in another position and it will be okay. So usually there are 20 pins, but the new motherboards want 24 pins, so you have to connect an extra 4 wires. And usually the power supplies have this. Then it wants another supply, 12 volts. The white one is for the CPU and the black one is for the video card. It's not shown here. Because I use the old video card, so I don't need it. So I just tie the cable to have a nice route. I place my very cheap video card, $20. I don't recommend it to you. And then place other cards if you have. I don't think you should have other cards, because nowadays everything is integrated. There is no need for a sound card or video or a modem card, network card. So you have to be careful when you place the video card, because if it's not very seated correctly in the slot, when you turn on the computer it will make sound like. So now I'm placing two extra cards. One is for the old hard drives and another one is for USB extra ports. This motherboard already has a lot of ports, USB ports, but I already had this, so it was free. Okay, so now there is the most difficult part. You have to connect the front connectors on the motherboard. This is very difficult and it will be explained in the next episode. So if you like this episode, press like or comment or share, and bye bye.